in my journal so much today. You know, like today was like the most I've ever written in a single sit down. I like wrote about like 3-4 pages on focusing on things that I really want and kind of being a little selfish, you know, because it's like you want to give of yourself, you want to provide opportunities for others and whatnot. But this time I was just like, yo, C's, you know, in order for me to pinpoint and focus my goal on a specific target, I need to know exactly what it is that I really, really want. And I just wanted to be super selfish and just put it all out there on the line and be like, yo, this is everything that I could ever want, as if I'm writing a letter to Santa, right? It's crazy as it sounds, but these are the little mental exercises that just keeps me excited, keeps me happy, keeps me focused and dialed in so that I can, you know, focus my efforts the right way and not waste my time on things that doesn't really matter. So just sat down, wrote a ton, like the physical things that I wanted, the experiences that I wanted, the people that I wanted to meet or I want to meet, and just like super dialed in. And I was like, yeah, this is very awesome. And I think I need to do that more, you know, because maybe during this journey, different things, like different days I sit down to do this writing, I would want different things, right? So now I can sit down and focus and be like, yo, this right here is exactly what I want. So I can shed all the things that I don't really want and start honing in on the things that I truly want, you know? So as the list grows or dwindles and things on the list stay the same, I'll know exactly what it is that I want, right? So I think that's a little exercise that I thought I'd share and put it out there, because I'm gonna continue to do it and see what I can get from it. And as always, once I get that information, I will share it to us, you know, grow the tribe. And yeah, if you also find help in this, let me know as well, and let's see what you come up with or how that made you feel, right? Yeah.